Okay, so continuing on 8.4, I just need to go over this one and this one. Pretty sure we went over those, so let's look at 21. So what I did to find 21, we're actually finding from here to here is what they're asking us to find. So what I did was I created two right triangles, okay? And so this is a 90-degree angle, and I took that triangle and I wrote it over here. So we have this triangle right here. So that's going to give me this length from here to here, which is halfway. And then I'm going to double it to get all the way from W to X. So I label what I know. I know that this is 40 degrees. I know from X to P is 6 because X to Z is 12, so this is half, so that's 6. And I want to find this length, the medium side, so X. So this is where I need to use my SOHCAHTOA. So this is the angle measure. X is adjacent, so that's an A. And 6 is hypotenuse. The one that uses A and H is cosine. So I do cosine of 40 is equal adjacent over hypotenuse. X over 6, so I cross multiply. I get 6 times the cosine of 40, and whenever I do that, when I round correctly, it is 4.60. Then the last one, G to H to F is 90 degrees because this is a square. So diagonals intersect at a 90-degree angle. DGH is this angle right here. On this, the diagonals also bisect the angle, so this would be a 90-degree angle bisected, so that's 45 degrees. H to F, well, E to H is 5. That means all the pieces of the diagonals are 5 also, so H to F is 5. And then D to E. So what I did here, so I'm finding this length right here, so I'm going to take that triangle out. And it is, again, a 90-degree triangle, so it's a right triangle, but the diagonal pieces are 5 and 5. That means that these angle measures are congruent, so it makes it a 45, 45, 90 special right triangle. So I use that property that we learned in Unit 7. To get to this side, I multiply by the square root of 2, so I get 5 square roots of 2. If you have that as a decimal, that is 7.07 as a decimal answer. All right, so that is the rest of that section. So you have 2 Schoology homework assignments. So the Schoology homework assignment and then the Schoology homework assignment where you're going to input your answers from this 8.4 that is in your supplemental packet. That's pages 8 and 7. 7 and 8 is what you need to do. Thanks, guys.